Do you want to take this and turn it into this? Take this and turn it into this. Take this and turn it into this. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be telling how you can use OpenPose control net model to create images on stable diffusion. I will also discuss what you can expect from this model and what are its limitations. To get started, you need stable diffusion on your system and also control net extension installed on your system. I made videos on step-by-step guide to do that. I will be sharing link of those videos below in the description. So let's get started. So how does OpenPose model works? OpenPose model copies the pose of the image you upload into it and paste it into image you are generating. So is OpenPose model perfect? No, it's not. There is one main limitation of this model that I will be discussing in this video. So what I will be doing in this video, that I will be uploading various images in ControlNet and I will try to copy its pose onto the image I generate and we will see how it performs. So I have generated this image using prompts. Now I will upload image to ControlNet. So this is the first image I will be using. I will transfer its resolution here, set it on random and click on generate. So as we can see that it is easily able to copy the pose of this particular image. This pose also it is very easily able to copy. This one also it is easily able to copy. This also is perfect. But hands are a bit messed up over here. There we can see two hands. Let's generate it again. Now it's perfect. This one is also good. Let's try this one. This one is also perfect. This one also it is easily able to copy. As we can see, it is easily able to deal with simple poses. Now we will try more complicated poses. Let's try this one. So as we can see, it has created some pose. This is not the pose we were looking for. Let's try this one. So as we can see, OpenPose has completely messed up the pose. Now let's try this one. So as we can see, the legs here are completely messed up. So it tried to copy the pose, but in the end it was not successful. Let's try this one. Again, it is not able to copy the pose. And it's also not able to detect the chair. So let's mention that in prompts. And click on generate. Still it's not able to get the pose right. So simple poses, OpenPose is easily able to copy, but when it comes to complicated poses, it messes up. Maybe in future versions of ControlNet, it will be able to copy more complicated poses. So when you are creating images, you have to keep this in mind. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more such content.